Hey, I'm Fish. This is film filter. How can I say it? It gives that cement type look, that grayish look. You know the color of slate? That's the look you get. The sun is popping. You can see the building and the color. When we get out there, you'll see the difference of what film filter can do. Beautiful, cool morning. The boat's engines are running and they're ready to go. I watched the video, and boy, was the person wrong. And I should have kept my order. But the thing is, now it's available. I'll rethink it and see which one I want. Because there are going to be 3 cameras out pretty shortly. I don't have to be the first kid on the block to get one. But, it is what it is, man. So let's get on down where we need to be at. Now the sun just came out and it's gonna go away, so you get to see what natural film looks all about. I don't think I want another action camera. I don't think I have much of a use for another action camera as life goes on. But I have plenty of use for what I got. It's already one of the best cameras I have. I know the next generation model of a Pocket 4 is coming out for the Muse. And Insta360 Luna Ultra. That's going to be something that, look at the head. And on that thing, it's got some cooling fans on there. Fins, that is. All 3 of these cameras, and I didn't mention the first one's name, which is a GoPro Hero Mission. $700. That's $1,000 after you get all done. Now, what are you there with? A camera that simply what I got can do pretty well. I probably just hold off for an Insta360X Pro 3 instead. If they come out the front-facing screen and change the way the flip screen is. I could collect bottles all day. Maybe I'll get enough to get all 3 cameras like that. Yesterday's video, man. Open sign's not there. You do a good deed. At least help out. Ask for help. I'll hang it up for you. But it went somewhere else. Probably for a good deed, just not this store. As we head down to the shore, to the beach, to the end, to the water. And we're just going to go right on into the soup. We have people filming, people swimming, people cleaning. I, the Fish, made this place possible to be a vlogger spot. But if you take a look around today, how beautiful that sky looks. I do all my videos and I leave my hat on. Today I should leave my hat on. Oh, Fish, your camera's like hanging a millimeter from the edge. It's a little tilted. I'm not sure if it's the table or the way it is. There you go. Now it's perfect. I can't sit down to do anything because it's wet, nasty. It didn't rain. But look at that beautiful cloud formation, that sky. Only if I climb up the pole, stick a camera there, put a solar panel, remotely started every single day. Ah, those are just the things. The guy went into the soup. He's swimming. That's why those flags say, no swimming. But we always go swimming. I think I'm gonna go ride. And I capture the moment down low. So let's get on out of here and hop on board. Hop on board the Adventure 2. Give a different perspective. Ah, no machine today. Maybe it's under an oil change. Maybe it got sand in the engine. One day, somebody make a double clamp that doesn't vibrate and shake around so much. In hand and off we go. Let's get on out of here. Let's get on up, get all across, and finish the ride. Enjoy the little push. What's it going to be? Fighting the wind to get on back. Well, I am Fish. I hope you enjoyed the talk. Yeah, it is what it is, man. Shoot with what you got. Enjoy what you got. Because one day you may not have what you have. And it'll be what it is. And on that note, I'll see you on the next video. And I'll catch you all later.